Okay, guys, so welcome to the first episode of Risk Trader Trade Review. So, ayun, medyo last week ko pa to naisip. Then, ngayon ako sinipag. So, ngayon ko lang rin ginawa yung poster. No? So, basically, trade review is, um, ano ba sabihin to? Basta magiging ano siya, magiging weekly routine siya, no? Hopefully, it's weekly. Baka kasi may times na baka kasi magkaroon ng week na wala akong pinapasukan na trade, right? So, every time na may trade akong pinasukan, and then it happens, right? Either kahit mag-profit ako or mag-accumulate ako ng loss, I'm gonna create a content or a video about it. No, why I went in, why I went out, what went wrong, what went right. So, ayun, sa mga VIP members ng Trader Circle, kayo yung unang makaka-receive ng content na ito. And then I will release it to the public 1 week after. 'Di ba? So, ayun, siguro the trade review that I will do now will be green. Kasi green is actually my stock pick of the month for March. And then it played out around April, right? So ngayon, I'm gonna show you why I entered, and then how I set my target profit, and then why I exited, right? I exited too early actually. I think halfway, no? So let's say, ilang percent ba ginawa niya? Tingnan natin, right? So green did what? 33%, but I think I exited at around 18 to 20%, right? Around that. So I'm gonna discuss here uh, why I entered this trade, why I exited too early, no, and then yeah, okay. So saglit lang ko. So okay, green. I first noticed green nung may nag-request. Tinanong niya ako, I think it was around here. It was around here, no? Nung may nagtanong sa akin ng VIP members ng Trader Circle na, is it a good time to enter green? Right? And then I said, not yet. Then after a week, nung tinanong niya ulit ako, nakalimutan ko tinanong niya ako or nung chinek ko ulit, right? So, nung chinek ko siya ulit, doon ko na-realize na, sorry guys, I just have to check. So, okay, nung chinek ko ulit after 1 week, doon ako nakita ng good position. So, okay, let's go into lower time frame kasi usually, I think chinek ko to. No, I think it was around, I think it's around I'm not sure. Let me check the 1 hour. Wait, so pasensya na guys, medyo mabagal yung loading. At the same time, it's raining. No, after a very long time, it's raining. So hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo, but it's raining. So, yeah, I think I was looking at 1 hour, and then nung tinanong niya ako, I think the price was around here, right? So, nung tinanong niya ako, RSI is around here. It's here, right? So, sinabi niya, nung nakita ko tong RSI, sabi ko, not yet, bro. Wait, bigyan pa natin ng konting oras and then check ko ulit. So, after a few days, no, nakita ko to sa 1 hour time frame. So, here, hold on, let me fix my RSI. So the indicator I use to enter this trade is RSI. Simple, okay. So ito yung nakita ko. After 1 week or a few days, nakita ko tong bullish divergence here. Right? Bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. And then, also, if we go to the 4 hour, let's look at 4 hour. Also on the 1 hour, also on the 4 hour, nakita ko to. Right? So, instead na higher low, it's a slightly higher low naman, right? So, sa 1 hour, halatang halata yung higher low, right? So, this is a low and then this is a higher low, right? So, sa 1 hour, halatang halata siya. Pero sa 4-hour, it looks like a double bottom. So for me, it's already a candidate for bounce play, right? So nung nakita ko to, on the 1-hour and 4-hour, sabi ko, mukhang possible mag-bounce to, right? At the same time, if you're gonna look at this area, this one. At the same time, if you look at this area, no, it's basic support and resistance. No, I also use the basic, which is support and resistance. So in the past, in this area, no, sa top part na to, it acted as a resistance. Look at here, it's, di ba, hindi niya mabasag, di niya babasag, di niya babasag. Dito rin, hindi niya basag, nabasag niya dito pero bumalik ulit. At the same time, dito naman sa lower part, it's acting as support here. So, nung nakita ko na, oh, it's in the support zone. Number one, it's in the support zone. Number two, meron tayong bullish divergence on the 4-hour and 1-hour. So that's what made me enter this trade, right? That's what made me enter this trade. I took the risk and entered this trade. So number one, again, we are at support. Number two, I see bullish divergence on the 4-hour and 1-hour. So ngayon, nung pumasok ako dito, I think it's around here, sinabi ko, saan kaya ako magta-take ng profit? Kasi I'm pretty sure, no, we're not gonna break this resistance here. No, we're not just gonna break that. It's gonna take some time before we break that. So, ang ginawa ko is, saan ako magta-target profit? Okay, nakapasok ako. Saan ako magta-take ng profit? So, I used, again, basic support and resistance. So, here, I see na this is a good resistance. Okay, bakit? Number one, in the past, this line acted as support. Here, it acted as support. Here, it acted as a support. So, when a support is broken, it becomes a resistance, right? So, makikita natin itong support, nabasag niya dito. It went down. So, nung binalikan natin to, kung babalikan natin to, which binalikan natin, it will act as a resistance. So, yeah, okay. And then another thing I did is I also used Fibonacci. So, medyo advanced na to. No, I'm not sure if you know this, pero usually, no, I would do is from this top to bottom, kung saan magbabounce, doon tayo So, right, swing high, swing low, and you can see, no, na it is at the 0.5 Fibonacci level, right? 618 is the golden, but yung 0.5 ng Fibonacci level is mas madalas siyang tamaan. Minsan umabot tayo 618, pero mas sigurado tayong tatama tayo sa sa 0.5. So, okay, nag-drawing ako ng support and resistance. Then, nag-drawing ako ng Fibonacci. So, nag-match siya, no? Kung nasaan yung 0.5, andun din yung resistance. So, I think it's what they call confluence, right? Nagma-match yung yung mga indicators or yung mga strategies mo, no? So, that's the reason I set my target profit here. But, guys, I didn't take my profit here. I took my profit here. Right? Wait. I took my profit here. So now, if we're gonna put back Fibonacci again from this swing high to this swing low, kung saan nag-bounce, no. I think I took my profit here sa 382. No? Kasi, usually, sa bounce plays, pag nag-bounce ang isang stock after a downtrend, it usually reaches 3 levels sa Fibonacci, which is the 382, the 0.5, and the 618. So, nag-take profit ako sa 382, right? Kasi inisip ko, baka hindi tayo umabot sa 0.5, right? So, why did I take profit there? Kasi pag pumunta tayo sa 1 hour, right? Nung pumunta ako sa 1 hour time frame, nakita ko na, number 1, we are at the 382 resistance. Number 2, nakita na ako dito ng bearish divergence, right? Meron tayong ditong lower high sa RSI, pero meron tayong ditong higher high sa price action. So sabi ko, I'm gonna take my profit na kasi this is a bounce, right? Hindi ito yung reversal. So for me, this is just a bounce. So sinabi ko, I'm just gonna book my profit. If ever it goes up, okay lang. At least I saved, I protected my profit, no? Just in case bigla siyang bumagsak. Kasi during bounce plays, if nag-bounce siya, there's a good probability na biglang sharp yung drop eh. So kung titingnan nyo dito, right, ang tagal natin gumapang pataas pero saglit lang yung pagbagsak. So ito yung iniiwasan ko. No, that's why I took my profit here at the 382 Fibonacci level and umabot tayo sa 0.5. So ayun guys, medyo malakas yung ulan. Hopefully malinaw pa naman boses ko. Pero anyway, yeah, that's the reason why I entered the green trade. No? Number one, nakita ko nasa support tayo. Number two, nakita ko ng bullish divergence of 4 hour and 1 hour. No? And then after entering the trade, gumamit lang ako ng basic support and resistance to set my target profit. At the same time, dinagdagan ko siya ng Fibonacci para just to add on the confidence kung saan ako magte-take ng profit. So, ayun lang naman guys. I'm pretty sure, no, marami kayong natutunan dito kasi it's very basic, right? At the same time, it's very profitable. No, so yeah, kung meron kayong questions, just send me a message on my Facebook page or sa Discord. Once again, thank you for supporting Trader Circle. This is Risk Trader signing out.